Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You can also use the command adb reboot bootloader to reboot directly into the bootloader. Press and hold volume down, then press and hold power. Press and hold volume down, then press and hold power. Press and hold volume down, then press and hold power.
Let's help you make your mark.
Press and hold the volume down and power buttons simultaneously until the device turns on. You can use volume down to highlight recovery mode and the power button to select it. Depending on your model, you may then have to enter your password and choose a language to enter recovery mode.
Let's help you make your mark.
So, when troubles occurs, lags, some types of app crashes, with repair apps in recovery mode you can do a manual re-optimize apps so the system will return snappy like it is after a firmware update.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.